10번. 대화를 듣고 여자가 남자를 위해 할 일로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Hello, Pacitopia Software. May I help you?
Yes, this is Charles Jackson. May I speak to Sara Brown?
I'm sorry, but she's not in right now. Is there anything I can do for you?
Yes, please. I've just received your graphic software from Sara.
Have you? Thank you for the purchase. Do you need any assistance?
Yes, I need some more information about installing the software. I tried to install it, but I couldn't.
Did you follow the instructions in the manual carefully?
Yes, I did. But I must be doing something wrong. I need some help with this.
Okay, I'll have one of our technicians call you right away.
Thank you. I'll wait for the call.